Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, we'll be walking you through the SpaceSight app, demonstrating how to execute remedial tasks as part of the auditing process. To begin, you can search for SpaceSight on the Google Play Store or the App Store to download and install the app on your phone. On the login page, enter your email and obtain the verification code. A verification code will be sent to your email. Use it to activate your account. Once the account is activated, you can set up the password for future logins. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Task Center page. Here, you'll find the remedial tasks that you need to proceed with. On the Task Center page, click on the task notification to view the task details. On the Task Details page, you can check the task deadline, comments from auditors, and description of the audit items. To proceed with the remedial task, you can choose to assign the task to another person or submit the task by yourself. To assign the task to another user, please click Assign at the bottom and select the user to be assigned. Then click OK. The other person will receive a notification of the assigned task. To directly submit the remedial task, click the Submit button. You have to upload an attachment when submitting the task. To add an image, tap the plus button. You can either take a photo directly within the app or upload an image from your local album. You can also upload a video. Afterward, you can also add comments for the task if necessary. Then, click OK to submit the remedial task. The auditor will review the remedial task to decide whether to pass or reject it. If the submitted task is rejected, you will receive a notification and will need to resubmit the task with the correct attachment. To resubmit the task, click the notification and view the reason for rejection in the Process section. Next, click Resubmit button and upload the correct attachment and comments. Then click OK to submit the remedial task again. Congrats on making it to the end of this video! Are you ready to get started now?